Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and you're getting an error F07 and you're wondering what's going on and what you can do to get rid of it. So, and if you get this F07, then your dishwasher is not going to be working. And the reason it's not going to be working is because your dishwasher is sensing that there has been damage done to the water turbine. So, and like any of these errors, the error can be anything from the water turbine all the way to the control panel. It could be some wiring to it, or it could be the control panel itself misinterpreting some kind of electronic signal. So this is not an easier thing to fix. You can go in and check and see if you see any visual damage to the turbine. But this is one of those faults that you're really better off just having it checked by a professional. But anyways, I hope this video at least helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.